Hey everybody, we're going to work on, out of nowhere, a little exercise that involves what we call double enclosures to 3, 5, 7, 9 arpeggios. This is just an exercise. Doesn't mean you have to improvise with this all the way across, but by finding some of these, they're helpful to build bebop lines, and you can use them in a lot of different ways. So we're going to play this tune right here, out of nowhere. And so let me just start with I think first to find the 3, 5, 7, 9 of each chord would be useful. So we've been doing this in class at this point, so I don't want to take too much time on this, but just to make sure everyone's clear. So here's the B flat minor, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then the E flat dominant. So we've already done the G major. Go a little kind of fast there. And then the B minor, and then E7 flat 9, A minor, same thing. Now we got a B half diminished, so I'm going to put the root up top instead of the 9. The 9's really pretty, but it takes you into a different scale harmonically. So for the purpose of our class, let's just do the root up top. It's very clear. And then E flat, A minor. Okay. You can work those out on your own. So the second part is the same. Let me skip down to the last line of the tune. This will be measure 29 on our chart. So, and on the B flat dim, I'm going to do a root up top as well. And the flat third, A minor. Now, still playing it rubato, we're now going to add a double enclosure. So we're targeting the third of each chord. So that's what we're going to get to. We start a whole step below, up a half step, whole step above the target note, which is the third. Just like this. Then we arpeggiate up. Okay. For the B flat minor, here's the third, whole step below, half step. And then the E flat. And then the third. We've already done that. So here's the B minor. Targeting that note, we're going to go a whole step below. Okay. E7, there's the target note. Again. A minor, here's our target note. Whole step below. Now, when there's 2 chords per bar, the little practice pattern doesn't work so well to do it on each one. There's no time, with at least when you're in 8th notes. So often what we'll do in the class is target the second one. And you'll notice in the left I'm still playing the B half to the E7. And it's all chromatic, so it kind of comes out in the wash. Here's the E flat 7, 3, 5, 7, 9, a whole step below that. Okay, A minor. We've already done that part. So let me skip ahead. I think we need to find it on the F7, measure 28. So measure 3, 5, 7, 9. So a whole step below the target note. I think we've done all of them except for maybe D7 flat 9. That would look like this. Let me start with the turnaround, or not the turnaround, but the last 4 bars, because that has a string of 2 chords. So I'm going to go like this. Let's see, targeting the 3rd. I'm going to target the 3rd of the 2nd chord, the D. The 3rd of the E. 3rd of the D. Time on that. See, here's the B flat diminished, targeting the D7. Okay, now I'm going to take a little faster, not fast yet, but in time. D1. Here's the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. I did that wrong. Alright, I'll play Bud Pals down here. Stay out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Second one there. Here's the E flat. Let me start at letter D there. I'm going to target the 2nd chord there at measure 26, but starting at D. 2, 3, 4. I did that wrong. One more time there. Ready, go. Second chord here, so 29. And you could do triplets. Triplets, I should slow this down a little bit. And there's that double back. Let's try everything. 1, 2, triple, let go. See here if it'll work. No, I gotta still do the second one. Now on the second half of the tune, I'm going to go ahead and switch to 16ths just to keep the file size short. That'll sound like this. No, wait, no double back. My videos. Okay. Alright, so it'll sound like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And last one that I had thought about. Okay, so there's the double enclosure exercise. You can pause the video as you need to and check that out. In the end, you certainly would not want to play all of them. You could play just a few. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you can permutate them. You know, you got a 4-note cell that you can permutate a bunch of ways. I went from the bottom and then in. You can go from the top in. You can zigzag. And that'll add some nice variety. I like that one. I went to the fifth. That's the other thing, is you can go do like arpeggios down. And so on and so on. Okay, there you have it.